Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Ajir video topic hoise hydroponics upor. So hydroponics is a method of growing crops. Aru world different countries have already started growing crops through hydroponics. Hydroponics or dara crop production kora start hoise. Aru even ami ghorotu nijor kitchen garden ekhon banabo paru through hydroponics. Jot ami different hak pasali naiba fulu rubo paru. So, in this video, let us know what is hydroponics, introduction, history, how it works, merits and demerits. So, hydroponics is the cultivation of crops without soil. So, mati nohake keneke hoisyo utpadon koribo pari. So, hydroponics word to eta Greek word opora ahise hydro plus ponos. So, hydro mane hoise water aru ponos mane hoise work. So, etia ami kobo paru je hydroponics is the cultivation of crops in water. So, kenikwa dhৰণৰ পানীত আমি crops to grow কৰিম হেতু আমি লাহে লাহে ডিসকাস কৰিম কিন্তু প্ৰথমতে let us know what is the history of hydroponics. So, এনেকুৱা নহয় যে hydroponics modern agriculture এটা টেকনিক হয় কিন্তু প্ৰাচীন কালতো hydroponicsৰ দ্বাৰা শস্য উৎপাদন হৈছিল. So, আমি সকলোৱে hanging gardens of Babylonৰ নাম শুনিছো. So, it is one of the 7 wonders of ancient world. So, it is around 500 BC kotha. So, এই picture খনত দেখা যায় যে different types of crops are growing. Tame গছ গছনি grow hoise, kisman গছ আছে ইয়াতে, এবা kisman climbers grow hoise, আৰু সব grow hoise in the terrace where there is no contact with soil. Soil লগত কোনো contact নাই. Okay? So, this was the hanging gardens of Babylon. আৰু কেনেকে possible আছে? Okay? Soil নোহোৱাকে কেনেকে এই plants for terrace grow কৰা হৈছিলে? So, pisot archaeological studies or pra gompa goisile that there was a reservoir of water. So, at a water reservoir pra continuous water flow hoy asile. Okay, just like irrigation, irrigated canals or dara janeke pani field pothar kon irrigate kora hoy, thik teneke there was a continuous flow of water aru ei pani khine gote terrace kon irrigate kori thoi die. Yare jonbur crops or roots por saturate kori thoi aru whole area to moist kori thoi. Okay, so this was the concept behind hanging gardens of Babylon, which was an example of hydroponic culture. So, another example is a floating garden of Aztecs. So, floating garden of Aztecs to discover in 1519. So, central Mexico at a lake around 2 lakh manu bak koisile. So, here manu bore floating gardens bonaisile. So, these are the floating gardens. Are a gardens for 3 feet layer soil hoy. Okay, a layer of soil of 3 feet. So, a floating gardens for different types of crops grow koisile. Jene for example corn, beans, squash, tomato or kisman flowers to grow koisile. So, yate dekha jay the jodio crops were grown in the soil, matite grow hoisile into water roots for they were directly in contact with water. Okay, so this was an example of hydroponic culture. So, about different assumptions asile, different philosophers and scientists are into scientifically hydroponics was started by Dr. William F. Gary, the University of California, 1930s or pora hydroponics start koisile. Their crops grow kora arambho koisile, for example tomato and horu vegetables grow through hydroponics. Okay, so now let us know how hydroponics works. Hydroponics keneke eta plant water grow kore, let us know, but first ami janibo laibo je eta plant traditional method keneke grow kore. So, ami hokoloi janu je plants growth or karone lage carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll and water. Okay, so it is a reaction hoy carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives food and oxygen. Oxygen to ami ukhalo aru this food is stored in the plants. Aru ei process to ke koa hoy photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process by which plants can produce their own food. So, tar uporio plants or physiological processor karone kisuman nutrients lage like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So, ebu hoise macronutrients jonbur eta plants or besi porimane lage. Tar uporio lage calcium, magnesium, iron, boron, manganese, copper and zinc. Ebu hoise micronutrients jonbur plants or kom porimane lage. আৰু এই গোটেইখিনি নিউট্ৰিয়েন্টস প্লান্টসে পায় ফ্ৰম দা সয়েল. সো ইয়াতে দেখা যায় যে এটা প্লান্টে সয়েলৰ পৰা নিউট্ৰিয়েন্টস লয়, both মাইক্ৰো এণ্ড ম্যাক্ৰো নিউট্ৰিয়েন্টস লয় আৰু কি লয় আৰু লয় ওয়াটাৰ. ওকে, সো সয়েল নোহোৱাকৈ এই নিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছ খিনি আৰু ৱাটাৰেদি যদি আমি প্লান্ট এটা গ্ৰো কৰিব পাৰো সেইটোৱে হৈছে হাইড্ৰোপনিক্স সো আমি আগতে ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো যে হাইড্ৰোপনিক্স ইজ দ্য কাল্টিভেশ্যন অফ ক্ৰপছ উইদাউট সইল নাইবা হাইড্ৰোপনিক্স ইজ দ্য কাল্টিভেশ্যন অফ ক্ৰপছ ইন ৱাটাৰ এতিয়া ৱাটাৰত কি থাকে আমি গম পালো যে ৱাটাৰ কনসিষ্ট অফ ৱাটাৰ প্লাস নিউট্ৰিয়েণ্টছ সো দিস ইজ কল্ড হাইড্ৰোপনিক্স So now let us know what are the important parameters of hydroponics. Hydroponics actually কিহৰ ওপৰত কাম কৰে. So first is temperature. So this is depending upon the crops grown. So beleg crops are temperature requirement বোৰ beleg. কিছুমান plants summer season grow কৰে, কিছুমান plants winter season grow কৰে, নাইবা কিছুমান plants বেছি temperature লাগে আৰু কিছুমান কম temperature লাগে. So temperature has to be adjusted. Temperature to control কৰিব লাগিব for hydroponics. Next is pH. So pH is a measure, scale of measure, जो तमी गम पाओ whether a solution is acidic ने alkaline. So ठीक तने के crops हो किस्मान crops saline soil grow करे, किस्मान acidic soil grow करे, नाइबा किस्मान crops neutral soil grow करे. ठीक तने के आमी nutrient solution to adjust करिबो लागिबो, pH to adjust करिबो लागिबो. Okay, depending upon the plant. Next is nutrients based on need of the plant. So different plants purer nutrient requirement to beleg hoy. So tar uporiyo plants or nutrient requirement were different stage of beleg. For example, plants or vegetative growth karone basically nitrogen lage, like flower bud jete form hoy jete phosphorus lage. So different nutrients are needed on the base of the plant and also on the different stage of the plant. So these are the important factors or parameters upon which hydroponics work. Okay. Now let us know what are the different types of hydroponic system. So different types of hydroponic system is deep water culture, wicking hydroponics, nutrient film technique, ebb and flow, aeroponics and drip system. So এই সকলোবোৰ সিস্টেমৰ ভিতৰত সবসে important হয় নাইবা বেছিকৈ ইউজ হয় বহুত পপুলাৰ হয় deep water culture. So this is the setup of deep water hydroponics. So yate ki kora hoise eta water tank loa hoise aru ei water tank is filled with nutrient solution. Okay, so yate eta styrofoam platform eta ase naiba kismane thermocol use kore aru ei platformot plants pur grow kora hoise. Plants pur tabot dia hoise, tabot rocks ase, horu hilguti ase aru ei for support aru ei plants or roots board they are directly in contact with the nutrient solution. So tar uporiyo eta air pump ase for continuous oxygen supply. So ei dhorone plants pur grow kora hoy in deep water hydroponics. So this is an example of deep water hydroponics. So etu hoise styrofoam platform aru yate plants pur grow hoise. This is the nutrient solution and the roots are directly in contact with the nutrient solution. Okay, so yate ma aru eta discuss kobo khoisu about aeroponics. So aeroponics to setup of hydroponic system is same. So aero mone hoise air. So yate ki hoy plants or roots board they are not immersed in water dubi na thake. In fact roots board ei dhorone spray kora hoise. Okay, nutrient solution to spray kora hoise. So this is continuous spraying or ei dhorone plants pore nijor nutrition to pai ase. Okay, so this is aeroponics. So this is also a picture of aeroponics. Roots are in air, they are not in direct contact with water or the nutrient solution aru yate nutrient solution to spray kora hoy. Okay, now let us know what are the advantages of hydroponics. Hydroponics are ki upokarita ase. First point is no soil is required. Potharot besi mati nathakileo compoundor bitorate hydroponics di crops grow koribo pare. Even ghorotu kismane jodi crops grow koribo khoje nijor kheti koribo khoje kitchen garden banabo khoje aru nijor sufficient mati nai naiba apartment dwellers jar ghorot tab ase kintu dhorilok mati kori anibo digdar hoy teolokeo hydroponics er dwarai nijor kitchen garden ekhon set koribo pare. Okay, bibhinno hak pasali naiba flowers grow koribo pare. Next point is plants are irrigated automatically. So potharot jodi plants grow koribo laga hoy naiba tabot soilot jodi grow koribo laga hoy tetia ami monitor koribo lagibo je ratipo aru evening every time they should be watered. Okay, pani dibo lagibo for their growth. Kintu hydroponics or teniko nohoy. Hydroponics or jehetu already water thake, so no more water is required. Next point is zero weed. So weed is a unwanted crop main crop logot compete kore for growth and development. Okay, so ami jodi ghorote eta tabot jodi eta bengena plant suppose roisu soilot tetia dekha jay je usorot different types of weeds come up. Kha ulabo naiba horu crop plant ulabo So আমি আকৌ এইবোৰ সাফা কৰিব লাগে so in hydroponics এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ problem নাহে okay zero weight next is crops can be grown all round the year so আমি already discuss কৰি থৈছো যে temperature is an important parameter in hydroponics so different temperature to যেটো আমি adjust কৰিব পাৰো in hydroponics so different crops can be grown all round the year summer seasonal crops আমি winter to grow কৰিব পাৰো নাইবা winter season crops we can grow in the summer season okay these are the few advantages of hydroponics যদি advantage থাকে to definitely disadvantage থাকিব let us see what are the disadvantages of hydroponics so first is cost of initial investment is high so eta hydroponics setupৰ কাৰণে ভালকৈ capital লাগিব কাৰণ greenhouse এটাখন বনাব লাগিব তাৰ উপৰি temperature control কৰাৰ কাৰণে air conditioner লাগিব নাইবা বহোৱাৰ কাৰণে different instrument লাগিব তাৰ উপৰি pH meter লাগিব air pump লাগিব so investment এটা লাগিব so ইমান easily এটা setup কৰাৰ কাৰণে অলপমান অসুবিধা হয় যদিহে financially sound নহয় then next point is high level expertise is needed as it is a scientific method so যেহেতু hydroponics is a scientific method so যোনজন farmer hydroponics কৰিব খুজিছে so তেখেতৰ এটা knowledge থাকিব লাগিব about crops okay so কোনটো crops কোনটো temperature লাগে নাইবা about pH ৰ ওপৰত তেওঁৰ knowledge থাকিব লাগিব কেনেকৈ আমি pH টো adjust কৰিব লাগিব okay then so crop or different stage to জানিব লাগিব so a person should be should have a sound knowledge okay তেখেতৰ knowledge থাকিব লাগিব কি ধৰণে hydroponics কৰি পেলাই success হ'ব পাৰে এজন uneducated মানুহে ইমান easily hydroponics ত success হ'ব নোৱাৰে okay so next is cannot support heavy fruit bearing plants so কিছুমান plants খুব heavy fruiting হয় মানে এগাল fruits হৈ যায় একেলগে okay নাইবা কিছুমান plants কি হয় যোনটো fruit হয় বহুত heavy হয় for example pumpkin then gourd okay লাউ so এইবোৰ heavy হয় আৰু কিছুমান crops খুব বেছি fruit bearing হয় so যেহেতু এটা nutrient solution এটা grow কৰা হৈছে মাটিৰ support টো নাই okay so এই plants বোৰ বেছি সময় স্থিৰ হৈ থাকিব নোৱাৰে sustain কৰিব নোৱাৰে so এইবিলাক crops ৰ কাৰণে hydroponics is not possible okay so crop production is limited for such type of crops so these were the few advantages and disadvantages of hydroponics so this was all about hydroponics so video to sai kenikwa lagle janabo jodi bhal lagise please like share and please don't forget to subscribe my channel thank you so much